What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So before we actually get into today's video, I do want to wash the car because it's filthy. I haven't washed it in forever. So before we do install today's part, little hint, actually you guys might know by the title and thumbnail already, but before we install today's part, I want to give the car a wash. So yeah, I'm not gonna do like a crazy detail or anything. I just want to give it like a quick clean wash, but I am gonna detail the wheels just because the wheels are like super dirty, and I kind of have to detail the wheels for them to get clean. Yeah, dude, look at this, man. Dirty, bro. So yeah, give the car a wash. You can see how dirty it is. The roof, dirty it is. I think it's dirty pretty quick, to be honest. But it's been sitting for a while, and it's been sitting through like 2 weeks of rain. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a wash, and then we'll go ahead and install the new part. Still have the cold start off just because the car's pretty loud, and I don't have any problem with the neighbors, and we have kids at the house and stuff, so I just keep the cold start off now. But it's cool, it sounds nice. Anyways, let me go ahead and pull up to the front, guys, and then just give it a wash. Yeah, this looks so clean, bro. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm so excited for that mod. All right, let me give it a quick wash real quick, and then we'll get started. All right guys, the car is officially washed, and I was checking out the part that we have, and it didn't come with any hardware, so I had to go to the store real quick and get hardware. I got everything already, everything's ready, but oh my god, bro, it hasn't looked this clean in forever. Jesus Christ, dude. Wheels pop so much when they're clean. Oh my god, bro, look at this thing. And this thing's about to look even better. So you guys know me, I've had this part in for like a week already, and I was super anxious to just open it and see it, as well as my girl, because she's the one that got it for me. But yeah, I did record it, thankfully. So real quick before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and move the car to the front, get everything ready. Meanwhile, just watch this short clip real quick of me actually unboxing it and seeing what exactly it is we're gonna install in the car today. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's up guys, let's open this box. Check this out. Can you guys guess what it is? Oh, it's not even focused, is it? Oh yeah, it is. Can you guys guess what it is? Oh, can I put the camera down? Can you guys guess what it is? It's definitely not a lip. Let me show you guys what it is.
And a lip care.
What do you think it is? Alright, it is a lip. Damn! Oh, finally a lip for the M5. This thing looks crazy. I don't even want to put it on. I don't want to scratch it. It's carbon. The whole bottom is carbon too. This is from, oh, this is a 3D design style lip. Damn! This is crazy. Got it from RW Carbon. What do you think? Should we just go put it on right now? This was one of my many gifts for Christmas, guys. Shout out to my #1 sponsor, my girlfriend. This thing looks crazy. I don't even want to put this on, dude. I don't want to scratch this. Alright guys, I'll see you again once I'm gonna put on the lip. Alright guys, so you guys saw what it is. It is a freaking carbon fiber lip, guys. The exact lip that I wanted. The 3D style lip for the M5. Yeah, I'm super excited to put this on. I feel like this is gonna really change the front end. At first I didn't want the PCM one, which is just one flat piece, but I feel like this one looks nicer because it covers the top pieces. So yeah, real quick though, before I take it outside, I'm gonna go ahead and put the double-sided tape on the inside part of this, and maybe on this part as well. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the double-sided tape, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside, put it on, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so this is the tape that I put. I didn't put that much, to be honest. I think that should be enough. Same thing on this side. The other side's 3 pieces because I made it a little longer. This side I just made it long on the first one. But yeah, I don't think I will need, so I can flip it. I don't think I'll need tape here. I feel like you might even be able to see it, so I don't think I'm gonna put tape here. I think people usually just put tape on that, and I think that's it. So yeah, let me go ahead and take it outside and get it started, guys. So here we goes nothing. I think I might have to lift the car up in order to put the bolts on the bottom. Damn, I think I'm gonna have to. So all right, I'm gonna have to put bricks and then drive on top of the bricks, and then probably put the jack under there and raise it up or something. But yeah, I'll figure it out. Let me do that real quick. Alright guys, so pretty much what we're gonna do, I should have just enough space right here to like unbolt it, but there's bolts, you guys can see that, there's bolts that go onto the bumper that hold it on. Pretty much people use these bolts and they just use a bigger washer, that way it can hold good. But yeah, it has like pretty much all around the bumper. I don't think we'll be using every single one. I'm not even sure, to be honest, but yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. I was looking in the forums and stuff and people just use those, and then some people add extra bolts, so I should be good with those, but I have the extra bolts just in case I want to do them. I'm gonna just go ahead and put the tape on top, which I already have it on the lip, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the bolts to bolt it down from the bottom. But yeah, before I bring the lip, I'm gonna just go ahead and take off all these bolts. You guys can see where it was wrapped. So I'm gonna just take off all these bolts and have it ready for right now that I bring the lip. I can just put it on, and we'll see how it goes. I'm kind of scared though, because you guys can see I've already scratched, like scraped the bottom without any lip. So we'll see how it goes, man. Alright guys, I want to do a quick little like fitment test just to see how it's gonna fit and how it's supposed to go on. Oh dude, this is gonna look so sick. Oh my god. Oh dude, I don't even want to take it off no more. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the actual lip, take off the tape, and go ahead and try to put it on. And let's see how it goes, guys. Alright guys, so I got the lip on there, but if you guys look over here, I got that bolt on, I got this bolt on, but these bolts over here, like the lip just sits so much lower than the actual bumper itself. Like you can see how much my finger goes in. This bolt just doesn't reach. So I'm gonna try to go to Home Depot and see if by any chance they have any bolts like these, but longer. That way they can grab on, because I have no idea what else to do. But yeah, so this is where I'm stuck at right now. Hopefully they have some. I don't even think I've ever seen bolts like these type at Home Depot, but who knows, it's Home Depot, they should have everything. So yeah, but besides that, lip is on, these 2 bolts are on, and then the same 2 bolts on the other side. It's just the middle 4 bolts that it just doesn't reach. So yeah, I have to go to Home Depot and see what I can find. Dude, it's not even on yet, like fully. I still need to get the other bolts, but oh my god, dude, this thing looks so sick. This is like the vision that I've been trying to complete. Oh my god, this angle, dude. Dude, I don't even know if I want to show you guys right now or after we get the other bolts, but damn, dude, this is like a vision complete. Not the whole vision, but this is like, you know, you get to that next step of that vision you're looking at and you're like, oh my god, bro, dude, this thing looks so good with the Nardo gray. I'm a little bit sad just because I was putting it on. My brother had to leave, and I wasn't in a hurry, but I already had like the tape and everything ready and peeled, so I was like, alright, I might as well just do it right now. So there's a little bit of scratches on that inner part of like where the grill is on the bumper, just because the lip is so like, It's so sharp, the edges are so sharp, so it scratches so easily. But yeah, you can't really see it from far away. From close up you can see it, but honestly I don't even care because of how good the lip looks. I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys right now. It's not even on the ground yet. I still have it on the bricks, but dude, look at this friggin' angle, man. Oh my god, bro. I just want to leave the car like this forever. Just exactly how it is. I don't want to touch it at all. Dude, you can, oh my god, this thing looks so sick. Oh my god, I'm gonna go ahead and put the car down, go park it, and then take the X5 back to Home Depot and see if I can find these bolts but longer. And hopefully they do, and they'll pretty much be done. The fitment was not too bad at all, guys, to be honest. There's not really a gap on the top side. There's a tiny gap in the corner. Can't really see that. There's a tiny gap down here. Also, you can't really see that. Oh, you can see a scratch the lip right here. Like, the lip is just so sharp all around. There's a tiny little gap right here as well. Up here, there's like no gap over here. Tiny gap over there, but you guys can see right here, this is where it's scratched, but damn it. But you can't see it from far away, thankfully. But yeah, besides that though, like all right here, you can see the lip is so sharp, dude. See, it was like scratching it right here too. But it goes all the way to the other side of the bumper, and it pretty much just like grabs onto like the backside. But yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. I'm super excited with the way it looks. I'm super happy. We finally have a lip on the car. I don't even want to drive it just because I don't want to scratch or anything. But yeah, let me go ahead and park it real quick, and then hopefully we can find the bolts. All right, guys, I ended up finding a bolt that would fit these two middle like holes, but this one over here, they're just way too deep, so I ended up just putting the regular bolts back onto at least holding on the bumper. But the actual lip itself has 6 bolts, and then the bumper has an extra 2 bolts, so I think it should be fine, to be honest. And it has a tape on top. It feels really holy crap, bro, it feels hella sturdy on there. So it's held on by the tape. It's held on over here like hugging the bumper, and then it's held on with the screws at the bottom. It feels hella sturdy. So yeah, I'm about to drop the car right now and see how it looks real quick. I'm super excited to see, at least on the ground, see how low it looks and stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and drop it, guys. Dude, this thing looks so good. Oh man, this really completed the front end, dude. Oh man, I'm super happy with the way this looks, man. That's crazy, dude. This fixes the side angle. This fixes the, like, whatever this angle is. This fixes the front angle. This thing just makes the car look so good from any angle in the front. Oh my god, bruh. Dude. You cannot tell me this does not look good. Like I said, I just hope I don't scrape in the front. Because if I scrape this lip, bro, I would literally cry. I'm not even gonna lie. It's not crazy low, as you guys can see. But I'm just not used to driving with a lip, so that's why I'm a little scared. But yeah, guys, that's how it looks. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just end the video right here. I'm at the gas station, so I'm gonna try to make this quick because it was a little awkward recording that little cinematic because it was like people just staring at me. But yeah, man, this is what the car looks like now. Hopefully you guys like it. I love the way it looks now. Honestly, the lip was like a huge missing piece to the front end. Like, bro, just look at this angle, man. Jesus. Now I really need the side skirts so I can flow nicely all the way towards the back. Honestly, that's probably gonna be the next carbon piece, the side skirts. I do want to get a hood, but I think that's gonna be more down the line. Side skirts for sure, I think it's gonna be the next move. But yeah, man, this is what it looks like. I think it looks super nice. I love the way it looks. Like I said earlier in the video, at first I used to like the PSM one, which is all just one piece, but I think it looks nicer having like this part, because I think it looks cool having this little piece like black. I think it adds some nice contrast to the front bumper. I'm not sure if I would do the carbon grills, but I think that would look pretty cool too, just to keep tying in all the carbon fiber lip, carbon fiber mirrors. You can see the carbon fiber steering wheel popping through right there, and then we have the carbon fiber spoiler and the carbon fiber diffuser. So yeah, man, we're getting a good amount of carbon fiber on the car now. And honestly, my vision is just coming together little by little. And huge thank you to my girl for buying the lift for me. This was one of my many Christmas gifts for 2021. So a huge shout out to her. If you guys have been here for a little while, you guys know that she actually surprised me with the wrap. She paid for the wrap job for my birthday last year as well. So yeah, she's the one that's bringing my little vision together for me. But yeah, obviously the wrap was like a huge part of what I wanted the car to look like, and the lip just really ties in the front end, and it looks super nice. So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna just go ahead and end the video right here. Like I said, I don't really want to be here too long. It's pretty late. With all that being said, guys, hopefully you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Look out for more videos coming soon. I got some more stuff for the car coming. Like I said, Apex built is gonna build this car completely, and I'm super excited for that, as well as some parts for the X5, so look out for that. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. Oh my god, just look at that car right there. That thing looks so clean. I think there's more people coming, so I'm just going to end it right here, guys. If you did enjoy, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you guys want to see. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.